My name is Diane Austin. I work with the Middleton-Cross Plains Area School District. I'm a personnel specialist in the HR department. We use Skyward, we use the business side. What really makes Skyward stand out for how we use it is our use of task manager and custom forms. That has become our main workflow process. When you have a school district HR, finance, payroll office, there isn't a lot of change. It's still the same steps, functions that need to be done, but how they are done is very different. You could probably put a dumpster out in our parking lot and have everyone physically pick up their inboxes and toss them, because pretty much everything that was done that way is now done through Skyward's Task Manager. I'll be working throughout the day and I'll get an email, hey, go check your task manager. I'll go there and I'll see that there's a position I need to post, or someone has been hired, or someone is changing positions, or someone is leaving positions. Finance uses it for accounting changes, and we even kind of stepped out of the box and created a form, a task process form for teachers requesting field trips. And I've mentioned it before, once you get going with the task manager workflow process, it gets somewhat addicting. And then anytime you see a paper process, it's like you want to find a way to use a task to automate the process. Without it, if that were to go down or away tomorrow, I really don't know how we would function. It would take a long time to get used to doing it any other way. If you want to work in this kind of environment and know what it is that we're all working for, you need to stay a valued employee and you need to stay current. And I've said this before, never let yourself become obsolete. The reason I won this award was not just me, but it was everyone who nominated me had a huge part in what we've done with Skyward, how our district uses it. Someday, far out into the future, when I retire, I'm going to look back at this award and it is going to be that one thing that is going to really make me smile and really make me remember how much I loved my job and loved the people that I work with.